We're talking about the lips, and in order to do this, I need an audience volunteer. You want to come up? Come on up here. What's your name?
Christina.
Hi, Christina.
Hi.
So, I'm going to have you walk over here, and we're going to play a little game of what clue is my lip telling me about my health. So, I'm going to have you step over there.
Okay.
Do you wear lipstick usually?
Yes.
Do you really look at your lips when the lipstick isn't on?
Not really.
So after this, you'll look.
Yeah.
You know what anemia is, right?
Right. It's iron deficiency, right?
Well, iron deficiency is one cause. Anemia is when you have a low red blood cell count.
Okay.
And believe it or not, your face can reveal some clues to us doctors.
Okay.
So I want you to guess. What I'm going to have you do is actually take whatever color you think your lips would be and put them over this model's lips.
Okay. So I'm going to guess maybe this one? Because a lot of times you're pale when you're anemic. Is that right?
Fantastic. Yeah, and so that's pale lips can be a sign of anemia. I'm going to explain to you exactly why that's the case. Because when you have pale lips, what happens is us doctors will see you, and we'll see this, what we call pallor. And the reason for that is when your red blood cells are going through your bloodstream, you'll also see white blood cells, platelets here, and you have a normal count, everything's fine. You have a nice glow, a shiny red to your lips and your cheeks. But as anemia occurs, your red blood cell count decreases. And that could be, like you mentioned, from iron deficiency anemia, from low B12 or low folate. And the fewer red blood cells you have, I want you to look into one of these red blood cells. What does it do? It transports oxygen. This is a hemoglobin molecule that transports oxygen. These are what make your red blood cells look red. Without those, or without enough of them, your red lips turn pale. But you wouldn't know if you never look without the lipstick, right?
Right.
So audience members, ladies, when you wipe your lipstick off, I want you to look at your lips. Look at their color, because pale lips aren't the only other possible sign your lips could be showing you. Another possible sign, what color would you say that is?
Like bluish or purple.
So it's bluish. Medical term for bluish lips, or blue in general, is cyanosis. What can that be a sign of? Hypoxia, low oxygen levels in your bloodstream. That can be from a respiratory condition. That can be from certain heart disease conditions. This right here could be the sign of a medical emergency. If you were wearing bright red lipstick, would you have any idea if your lips were blue?
No.
And so I can't emphasize this enough to viewers at home. If you're noticing that you or someone you love is developing blue lips with shortness of breath, maybe chest pain, it could be a sign of a severe drop in oxygen levels. This is a true medical emergency. It's called cyanosis in medicine. And I don't know if you have any history, in your family of people with respiratory diseases or cardiac diseases.
Yeah.
But if you do.
We do. My father.
So next time you take your lipstick off tonight,
Yes.
I want you to look in the mirror, look at your beautiful lips, look at your face, and look for signs like this.
Okay.
Fair deal?
Yeah, interesting.
Isn't it? And
Yeah.
that's the thing, especially with women, we don't think about it because we're so used to putting certain colors on our lips, but your lips truly can show us medical clues.